In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to start a fashion blog step by step. We'll go over everything that you need to start your fashion blog, how to customize it on your website, how to add content, and ultimately how to make money from it. Don't worry if you have no idea where to start and if you've never built a website before. The method that I'm showing you today doesn't require any coding, any design experience, and not even a lot of money. Especially if you guys use our discount code that I'll show you later on, you can get started with building your website and have it for a year for under $40. So first, what you need to get started is a domain name and web hosting. The domain name is as it sounds. It's just the name of your website. And then web hosting is what's going to allow you to have your website on the internet. And there are plenty of websites and platforms out there that can do this for you. We even have other videos on this channel that will teach you how to start a free website. However, we highly recommend against that if you're trying to start something serious. And that's because most free website builders are super limited in terms of features and also the professionalism when it comes to your personal brand. The platform that we recommend, and the one that I'll actually be showing you today, is called Hostinger. And if you guys use the link down below, you'll get taken to this page right here, where as you guys can see, you can get started for less than $3 per month. They also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if for whatever reason it doesn't work out, you can always get your money back. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Start Now button. And that's going to take me to 3 of their most popular plans. So they have the premium, the business, and the cloud startup. Now, for most of you guys just getting started, the premium plan is going to be totally fine. But if you're looking to, have more storage, more performance, then you can go with something like the business plan or the cloud startup if you have like an e-commerce store or something like that. But for now, since we're just starting a blog, we'll go ahead and go with the premium plan. So this means you can literally start 100 different websites on this one plan. You get 25,000 visits monthly, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration if you're coming from a different platform, unlimited free SSL, a free email, weekly backups, you get unlimited bandwidth, and then you also get a free domain name for your first year. So we're getting a lot of value from this plan, so I'll go ahead and choose this one. Next, you're going to be able to choose the time length that you want to have the Hostinger plan for. The only one that I don't recommend is going to be the 1-month plan, obviously because it's a lot more expensive. You can go with the 12-month plan, the 24-month plan, or the 48-month plan, depending on how long you want to lock in the plan for. The longer you choose, the more you're going to get of a discount. So for this example, let's just go ahead and go with their 1-year plan. And now if I scroll down, you guys can go ahead and create your account right here. This is going to allow you to log into your dashboard once you're done. And then down here, before you guys enter in your information to pay, go ahead and click on this button right here where it asks you if you have a coupon code, and then go ahead and type in my first website. If you use that code and apply it, you guys are going to see that you get an even greater discount. So right now we're getting 1 year's worth of web hosting for just under $35 right here. So this is super affordable for most beginners. And yeah, that's why we can't recommend Hostinger enough. But from there, go ahead and enter in the rest of your information and then click on submit secure payment. From there, once you guys have logged into your Hostinger account, you guys are going to see a page like this. You're going to see something that says hosting right here. And what you can do from here is you can go over to the domains, and this is where you're going to be able to get your domain name. Now, if you guys just got the plan, you should see something on the screen that says get your free domain name. For us, because we've already used it, it doesn't show up for us. But yeah, it should also say that on the home screen as well. Once you're done with getting your domain name, you can go over to websites right here and then click on add website right here at the top right hand corner. From there, go ahead and choose the WordPress option. They also have a Hostinger AI website builder. This is also another great option, but for this video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys WordPress. If you guys want to learn how to use Hostinger's AI website builder, we have other videos on this channel that will teach you how to do that. But for now, we'll go ahead and choose WordPress. And then now it's going to ask us to create some login details for our WordPress account. So this is going to allow me to log into my WordPress dashboard. Next, it's going to ask you what type of website you want to build. So for this example, we're obviously going to choose blog. Then you're going to have the option to choose between a bunch of pre-built templates that they have. So if you guys like any of these, you can choose it. They also have some themes that you guys can choose from. So if you guys like any of these, then go ahead and go for it. So let's say that we like this one, right? We can go ahead and click on preview right here, and we can see that it literally is a fashion lifestyle blog. So that's perfect for what we're looking for. You can see what it looks like on desktop as well as mobile view right here. And let's say that we like this one, we can go ahead and click on use this template. And then from here, we're going to be able to add some plugins to our blog website. These are some of the ones that they recommend for us. But if you guys don't want them, you could just deselect them, no problem. Let's say that we're cool with these, we can go ahead and click on next. And now you can actually generate blog content with their AI tool. All you have to do is just enter in your brand name, describe it in a few sentences, and then their AI tool is going to be able to generate original content that's specific for you. Once you're done, you're going to see a screen like this. Right now it's installing WordPress for us. Once that's done, it's going to take you back to the Hostinger dashboard where you can see your website. To go ahead and access this, I'll go ahead and click on this where it's going to take me to the WordPress admin panel. So now that I'm on the WordPress dashboard, this is where I'm going to be spending most of my time customizing the website, adding blog posts, installing plugins, plugins to my website and all that fun stuff. First, let's take a look at what our website currently looks like. To do that, we'll go ahead and click on this right here on the top left-hand corner. So as you can see, it looks exactly like the pre-built template that we have. It's already super professional. So all we have to do from here is just change up some of the text as well as some of the images. So let's go ahead and go back and then go to pages right here. This is where all of your landing pages are. So right now we have a blog page, we have a contact page, a home page, which we just saw, and then we also have a privacy policy page. So if you guys want to create any like static pages, any landing pages that don't really change, then this is where you're going to be putting them. To edit the page, just go ahead and click on edit right here, and that is going to take you to the block editor. From here, it's pretty self-explanatory. On the left-hand side here, you have some things that you can add to the website. So let's say we want to add like a button, we just have to click that and then it will add the button right there. If we want to move it around, we'll just go ahead and click this and we can drag it wherever we want. Let's say we want to add it right there. We can customize the style on the right-hand side right here. Let's say that we want to change up some of the text. We can just click into the box and then change whatever we want. So let's say we want to change it to Kara's fashion blog. Boom, super easy to do that. If we want to change this background image, we just have to click on it and we can go over to style right here. You can see that the image is right there. I just have to click on change image and then upload my own. And yeah, besides these like small little changes with the text and the images, I wouldn't change up too much because it's already professionally designed. If you guys want to change the theme or change the pre-built template, you can do that by going back to the WordPress dashboard. But I'm not going to change everything, otherwise this video would take too long. I recommend just going into the WordPress block editor and messing around with it yourself. Now right here at the top left-hand corner, they also have a design library. So if you guys want to add any of these things right here on the left-hand side, they have pre-built templates for that as well. So if you want to change up your hero page, they have a bunch of different templates that you guys can insert. If you guys want to have a contact form, there's plenty of different templates for that as well. So that's super useful. You know, as a total beginner, you don't have to worry about learning, you know, how to design your website. Just use the design library to insert stuff into your website. Now, from there, once you guys are done customizing your website, go ahead and click on the update button right here, and that's going to save all your changes. To go back, just go ahead and click on this right here. Now, to add blog posts to your website, what you're going to want to do is go to posts right here. And as you can see, they already have a couple of sample blog posts for you to see. You can go ahead and view them. And so you can see that this is what one of the blog posts looks like. And so again, just go ahead and click on edit post. It'll take you to the block editor and you can change up some of the text and the images and stuff like that. Going back, we can add new blog posts by clicking on add new post right here. From there, this is the block editor right here. It's very small because obviously it's a blank page. If you guys want to add something, you guys can use these right here, or you guys can click on this plus button and it'll show you a bunch of other things that you can add to the website. So let's say that we want to add a heading. We'll go ahead and click on that. Boom. Now it's right here. We can add some text. And let's say that you guys want to duplicate one of the current blog posts right here. There's no button that says that, but if there's anything that you guys want to do on WordPress that you guys can't find, chances are there's probably a plugin for it. So we'll go over to plugins right here. You can see that these are all the plugins that we currently have, and we'll go ahead and click on add new plugin. From here, we'll go ahead and be able to see all the different plugins that they have. You could search for any plugins. So we'll go ahead and search for duplicate. And as you guys can see right here, duplicate post, there's plenty of different plugins that can do it. So yeah, whatever you guys need to do on WordPress, chances are there's probably a plugin for it. And there's plenty of other tutorials on YouTube that can teach you all about WordPress. Now, once you guys have finished customizing your pages, your blog posts, and all that jazz, the next thing that you want to focus on is optimizing your SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization. Now, this is super important because your search engine optimization helps you out with ranking on Google search. So let's say somebody searches up a word that has to do with fashion blogs online. If your website is optimized in terms of SEO, then your website will have a better chance of popping up as the first or the second result on Google. This is great, obviously, because you want to show up as the first or second result. It's going to drive a lot more traffic to your website, and ultimately that's what you want to build a successful fashion blog. Now, there's plenty of plugins out there that you can download on WordPress to help you with your SEO, but if you're super serious about your SEO and you need help with other things like brainstorming content for your website or analyzing your website's SEO or analyzing other people's websites, then we highly recommend a platform like Semrush. If you use our link down below, you'll get a 14-day free trial to their pro access. We have other videos on this channel that will teach you about how to use Semrush, all the different things that you can use it for. And yeah, we just highly recommend it to everybody out there who has a website and they seriously want to grow their SEO. Now, in terms of monetizing, there are a few different approaches that you can take. The first approach is through something called affiliate marketing. This is where you basically promote other brands and products on your blog, and then every time somebody clicks on your link and then makes a purchase, then you receive a commission. There are tons of fashion products and brands out there that have an affiliate program. Just go ahead and search the brand name and then add affiliate program after it on Google, and then you'll be able to see if they have one. The next avenue of monetization is through sponsored posts. This is where you would promote brands or products on your website, but obviously this is something that you're going to be doing later on down the line when you actually have an audience. audience. And the last monetization method is just selling your own fashion brand or product. Now, there are tons of other ways that you can monetize, but those are the top 3 ways that you can monetize, in my opinion, with a fashion blog. The other methods aren't going to be able to give you that much revenue. But one thing that I do want to talk about is the importance of being able to drive traffic to your blog. If you want to make money on your blog through any of the methods that I talked about, you have to be able to drive traffic to your website in the first place. This can come through many different things. Like, for example, you can post on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You need to be posting relevant content and using hashtags to reach your target audience. Building an audience and a personal brand on social media is going to help out with all the different things that I talked about. More people are going to be looking at your affiliate links, so you'll have more conversions. More brands are going to be able to see your personal brand and then want to partner with you. And if you have your own fashion brand or product, then more people are going to be able to look at that as well. So yeah, I really want to emphasize the importance of driving traffic to your blog. You know, setting up a blog, as you guys saw in today's video, was super easy. The hard part now is actually making your blog popular, giving value, and then eventually being able to monetize if you do it right. So that's everything that you need to know about how to start and grow a successful fashion blog. Again, we'll leave a link down below to Hostinger where you guys can get started for less than $3 per month. Make sure to use our code for an even greater discount. And just to be fully transparent with you guys, if you use our links, then we do receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're actually going to be saving money with our discount code, so it's a win-win situation, and it helps out this channel a lot so that we can keep creating free content like this for you guys. If you guys found this video helpful and you need help starting your first website, then you can check out our link down below where you can get your first website set up for absolutely free. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of videos teaching you how to start and grow your first website. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.